How to get Discord Nitro. Hey everyone, if you're trying to look how you can get Discord Nitro, just follow these steps. Open up your Discord application, and once you've opened it, you just need to make sure that you are logged in. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to head over to the U section at the bottom right corner. And once you land on this page, you're going to have to access your settings menu. Just tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. Right besides that, you could see the Get Nitro option. You could just tap on it, or you could just head over to your settings first and then go to Nitro. Tap on Get Nitro. Now, from here, you can explore different plans. As you can see, the basic one is Nitro Basic. You can get up to 50 MB of uploads, custom emojis anywhere in any server, and you could get a special Nitro badge on your profile. So tap on get whichever you want to get, and then tap on get Nitro. So you're going to have to select if you want a monthly plan or a yearly plan. I'm just going to select monthly for now and then tap on purchase. And now here you're just going to have to add your card information. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.